Spring went by so fast this year, and so did the Flower and Garden Festival at EPCOT. I'm an Orlando local and a Disney Annual Passholder, so let's take a look back at just some of my favorite offerings, topiaries, foods, and drinks of the year. First up, this French toast was a really great brunch/breakfast/dessert offering. I got it over at EPCOT by Test Track. It was just French toast with a dollop of whipped cream, caramel sauce, and cinnamon toast crunch on top. Really good. It was a little hard to eat. I definitely had to sit down and use the knife to cut through it, so couldn't eat it on the move, which is often great at EPCOT, but still really good. These brand new topiaries for the year were very cool. There were some for Monsters Inc. and Cars, celebrating 40 years of Pixar. Let's head into the Odyssey, where I tried a plant-based food option. This lumpia was very good, made with plant-based pork, green papaya salad, and a yuzu sweet and sour dipping sauce. The sauce definitely added to it, so I used that little cup up. And the little salad on the side wasn't my favorite, wasn't entirely my vibe, but the lumpias were very good with the sauce. I really like what they did with Communicore Hall during this festival. Very floral inside to match the rest of the park, but still dark and shady to get out of the sun and relaxing, kind of like a magical garden coming to life around you. This is where I got one of my favorite drinks of the festival, the Hibiscus Tangelo Hard Seltzer. Having this be a seltzer was a nice break from all of the fruity ciders that they usually have during festivals. I really enjoyed this. This was nice to switch it up and very fruity and delish. A trip to Flower and Garden isn't complete without a stroll through the butterfly landing tent. This is a pretty big butterfly tent, and you're just kind of walking around and seeing the butterflies, caterpillars, in their natural habitat. So the butterflies aren't really landing on you or anything, but you can get pretty close to them as they're feeding from flowers. I even saw a caterpillar eating a leaf. You can see chrysalises hanging, some getting ready to hatch. There's also plenty of educational stuff around if you want to learn something new, or just do what I do and crouch down and get up close and personal with these really cool creatures. Back to another favorite drink. This very photogenic Frozen Island Escape was a great fruity smoothie. It was just a peach and mango smoothie with a fruit pop inside. The smoothie kind of stuck to the popsicle weirdly, so it looked like that when I pulled it out, but this was very good. As I made my way around World Showcase, I found my favorite dessert of the festival. It was the Bananas Foster bread pudding with a rum caramel sauce. This was from the America Pavilion and served warm. It was so good. And of course, those are slices of bananas within the caramel. So just the combo of all of this, of the bread pudding and the caramel and the banana, was to die for. This was so good. I would definitely get that again. To wrap up this year's festival, I had to go say goodbye to my all-time favorite topiary, Groot. And that's it for my recap of this year's Flower and Garden. It went by so fast, I wish I got to go more, but I'm already looking forward to next year. Bye!